Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your pets without using the lollipop, and the easiest way is just it's just by feeding them large fruits, large plants and whatnot. It does make them full longer. So if you go to your pet loadouts here, you're just going to get like a fruit here. Let's do this one because it's big. I'm just going to feed the junk bots. I'm just going to feed, and as you can see, it fills it mostly. Well, I think it fills up their hunger bar too when it's like mutated, I think. I'm not quite sure, but we're going to just get another big one. Let's not use the bone blossom here because we need that. So I'm just going to feed it again. As you can see, it fills up like 10,000% of their hunger. So if it's a big and a mutated fruit, it'll keep them fed for longer, as you can see here, and it's going to definitely help them age up as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Really, just feed them, and I don't know if XPs count as well, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Now my pets are like already above the age of 20. Soon I really want to mutate them in the pet mutation area. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.